Wait, what are you doing?
Huh? Oh, Brian. Oh, there you are. I've been looking all over the table for you. You know, I'm going to tell you, this stuff you gave me was a lifesaver last night. I was out like a light. And, normally I'm up 5 or 6 times to scream and defecate. But you know what? I slept straight through.
Stewie, I told you, there's alcohol in that. It's not for kids.
You're not for kids.
Stewie, you're drunk.
Oh, Brian's all serious. Oh, I don't drink in the morning because I've got to land a plane.
All right, come on, I gotta drive you to daycare.
Okay, it's all right. Calm down. I think I put my shoes on the wrong feet.